In the Green Technologies category, the finalists are 1 Green Engineering, Flywheel SH System, AT Innov, Grid Cars, BCIT. Congratulations and good luck to all of you. Let's take a look at the green technology innovations.
One Green has developed cost-efficient technology that converts any combustible biomass waste to electricity with a Brayton cycle. A Brayton cycle is a heat engine that compresses air, adds energy to the air and expands the hot air in a turbine to extract kinetic energy to produce electricity. The environmental advantages are it uses no water, requires no gas scrapping. The idea is to channel biomass away from landfill sites, reducing the production of greenhouse gases, namely 1.3 million ton methane and 1.2 million ton CO2 per annum, thereby reducing the cost of waste management. The total biomass waste resource available for this technology is 1.5 million ton per year for Gauteng. This means generating 1.5 million megawatt hour of electricity. This will effectively reduce Gauteng's reliance on imported power from Eskom. The project will create 4,000 jobs and reduce the environmental, social and cost impact of waste management. One Green Engineering is collaborating with Northwest University with a 50% grant from the National Research Foundation to build a pilot plant. The Gauteng government, the environment and the public scores by empowering One Green Engineering to develop green, efficient and environmentally friendly technology by converting a cost to society to a source of revenue and at the same time reducing Gauteng's carbon footprint.
The proposed concept is the use of flywheel technology for storage of electricity obtained from natural resources for small home systems with no electrical connections. Government is currently extending electricity supply using solar systems and batteries in rural areas. This system requires extensive maintenance and labor, and if batteries are not replaced when required, the system fails. We propose using high-speed flywheel technology as an alternative. The energy stored is comparable with batteries, but without all the drawbacks of limited charge cycles, chemicals and heavy metals. The initial cost of a flywheel is high. However, the cost is fully recovered with a flywheel operating life of 20 years, with very low maintenance versus a 2-year life of a battery. Research indicates that there are 3 million homes without electricity. Producing these units will provide job opportunities for thousands of people. The product can be manufactured in a quality-controlled environment using volume production techniques to reduce the cost. Distribution is planned to be part of Eskom's current infrastructure and personnel. Installation could be carried out by existing technology contractors. The system will provide sustainable energy to homes currently without access to electricity and at the same time reduce the substantial maintenance burden. Winning this competition will assist in refining the design and building a qualification model. This proof of concept model will leverage access to funding for the production system.
My company's innovation, the number one button, is a water-saving device. With our concept, we save water every time we flush the toilet. Every time you flush the toilet, it releases 2 liters of water instead of the regular 11.5 liters. The number one button lifts the toilet valves and only releases 2 liters of water and saves 9 liters of water. The number one button is made up of a button and a single cable. It is easily retrofitted on existing toilets and located next to the handle. The number one button was designed to use after urination and in instances where fully flushing the toilet would be unnecessary. Cost to the municipality is currently 22 rands per household per month for 6,000 liters of free water. The saving of 9 liters per flush is equivalent to an average household of 3, saving 2,000 liters of water every month. This is the equivalent of saving 8 rands a month. The number one button costs 7 rands to manufacture and will pay for itself within the first month of installation. This results in government conserving the diminishing clean water resources and redirecting them for more sensible purposes such as drinking water, and enables government to redirect those resources to currently unsupplied communities. The number one button is cheap to manufacture, simple to install, non-labor intensive, and can be installed in pre-existing RTP homes. The number 1 button has already been built, tested with measurable results. Winning this award will enable my company to fund the certification process and the presentation of the device to the various municipalities.
The concept is a 3-wheeler bicycle. It can be powered by humans, so you can pedal it, or you can power it by electricity. It'll have electric motor and batteries. It can be used as a people mover to public transport. It can be used as a goods mover for deliveries at homes. It can be used as a mobile spaza shop or a mobile workshop where you can have your toolbox, and because there's a battery you can power your tools as well. This is simple technology. We'll design the components in such a way that you can put it together like a Lego kit, and the wiring will be color-coded, so early entrants or first entrants to the job market will be able to assemble these vehicles. In terms of capacity, we have many people without jobs out there, and this is an excellent opportunity for first uptakers or first entrants to the job market to become involved. First as assembler, and secondly as a user of the vehicle. Local government service delivery make use of big vehicles, which are expensive to buy, expensive to maintain, expensive to run. The government can't afford enough vehicles for all the service delivery points that need service. With a vehicle that is cheaper to buy, cheaper to run, cheaper to maintain, can even run off the sun, produces no emissions, this problem can be solved and the local community can be empowered. If we win this competition, it'll give confidence to us, but also it'll give us good exposure outside, increase our market, and of course with a bigger market comes lower costs. Then of course this money would enable us to start developing the concept to a practical product where we can get the first wheels turning and involve the first people in the community.
$49 million call to action. This is a system that enables the public to switch electricity on and off at will using a mobile device. Member of the public can download the application to their mobile phone. The phone itself is linked to a controller that is installed and connected to a household electrical board. The controller is then configured to the electrical household layout inside the house. Anytime, any place, a citizen can switch off or on the individual or all the light switches and plugs, the geyser and the pool pump. The mobile application enables as well citizens to access their current electricity statement, to see how much they owe and when is it due by. They can also submit meter readings and also on an ongoing basis calculate estimated electrical cost based on usage. This project works hand in hand with current government philosophy to save electricity and go green, as per the 49 million campaign run by Eskom. The application also enables citizens to better control their electricity usage. In addition, government is able to send to citizens message reminders and ways to save, and government can communicate service disruptions via this application. To put this application into place, government can use existing infrastructure and resources to set up the system. Winning this competition will assist us to further develop the household controller needed to run the application. Hopefully, winning will also open the door to working with Eskom.